It's the last morning in the hotel. I'm pretty much packed. I had a waffle at the Continental breakfast, and I am drinking my coffee. And we're gonna leave in about half an hour. I was just getting the mountains, that's all. Hi.
I'm like, stop promoting yourself, you weirdo.
I found it! You're perfect.
To do this and not have a shaky camera. Sorry. Boarding the airplane. On an airplane. There's some lovely Seattle weather for you. I don't think I could ever live here.
On our way down to Orange County and Disneyland. We're all ready to go up here, just the forward door to close. Maybe a last minute bag or two and we'll be on our way. Once airborne, 2 hours and 16 minutes, we'll be cruising at 37,000 feet.
I'd like to give a big shout out for the Outlaw girls on board today, our roller derby. Congratulations.
Nice. Good rock.
Have you the gate about 5 minutes early. We'll update you on the arrival time. The weather's will get a little closer. In the meantime, please sit back, relax, enjoy our hospitality. Once again, welcome aboard.
That's my tutu. Oh yeah. There are normal factors.
This time, the flight attendants will be coming through the center cabin to pick up all remaining service items. We must pick up all cups and glasses regardless of their content at this time. We're also going to ask that you please bring your seatbelt and clear access to the main aisle. I'd like to thank you for choosing Alaska Airlines today. And we will be landing in Orange County shortly.
She's like, oh my God, she's all skin around your face.
Oh yeah.
She will meet you at the baggage claim. Shut it.
Aww.
Right over here.
Waiting on baggage claim. I didn't check any bags, but I'm giving a ride to one of the girls, and she had to check a big giant bag.
There was a photographer there.
You didn't realize?